Raju is fond of watching cricket, and he was very excited about the upcoming cricket match. But as soon as he opened the sports app, he realized that his subscription had expired. Raju thinks, what is the big deal? The internet has all the solutions. Thinking this, he searched for a way to recharge the sports app on the internet. After searching for a while, he found a phone number for the same. Raju dialed the number immediately.
Hello, I want to recharge my sports account.
Which plan do you need?
I want a 3-month plan.
You will get the payment link on your phone now. Please click and make the payment.
Yes, I got the payment link. I will pay the amount now.
Raju clicked on the link. Raju received an SMS stating that 40,000 rupees was debited from his account. Instead of paying 1,000 rupees to sports app, Raju ended up transferring 40,000 rupees to the fraudster.
So don't contact random phone numbers obtained from web search engines, especially for doing financial translation. For social cause by Cardi Intelligence and co-supported by OneShell.